3 houseplants for children's rooms. First we have the Moon Valley, also known as the friendship plant. Features unique textured leaves with silver markings. This plant is considered non-toxic to both children and pets. Thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers regular watering. Next we have Peperomia, comes in various leaf shapes, textures and colors. It is generally non-toxic to both children and pets, and is compact and well-suited for small spaces, making them perfect for children's rooms. Last but not least, the bamboo palm. This plant is safe for both children and pets. With its lush feathery foliage, it adds a tropical touch to any space, preferring bright, indirect light and regular watering. These 3 options provide a mix of visual appeal, ease of care and safety for both children and pets. Remember to always monitor interactions and placement to ensure the well-being of children and pets. Follow us for more and thanks for watching.